There is competition everywhere, whether you are running an online shop, blog, or any services business on the internet. In order to win, first you need to understand who you are competing with and where. In this video, I will walk you through 3 tools which will help you understand this very quickly and efficiently. So stay tuned. Before we dive into tools, let's think for a moment what a competition is and where it happens. Not who the competitors are, but where the competition happens. The answer is the competition happens when some user goes to Google and type whatever he wants. So in our case, we will type AI website builder. Now the user is looking for a website builder and he types this query. Google gives it a lot of options. Option 1, 2, 3. We are here in the natural search at number 2. Some of them are already here. But the sites which are not here in this search have actually lost to the sites which are here. So the competition is happening when a user is looking for something and some of your competitors have that attention and you are not there, right? So this is very important, and we'll see and find that who are these competitors and how we can compete with them by using few tools. I will show it to you. First thing first, if you are running an AdWord campaign, basically open your AdWord campaign thing and basically go to Action Insights, which is somewhere here. Click on it and it will show you few sites which are actually competing with you. So in every auction, actually you are actually competing with these sites. So zoom out and we find Wix, GoDaddy, the best site, the best 10 website builders.com, WordPress.com, Japmeta, etc. So these are the sites, right? We never thought that we are going to compete with them, but we just take a note of it. Now, the another tool which is very good is Alexa. So Alexa is also free for this. You can go and type your own site. So in this case, I will type Myra.io. And it will show me, what is my ranking all over the world and stuff like that. So let me explain. First thing first, it will show you your all over globe ranking. So we are 1,44,000 and 14,000 in India, and it shows me few other data. The most important part comes here in the audience overlap part, which is what we are looking for. So here it is showing me which all sites are actually competing with me for a natural search. So here is Helia, Firedrop AI, etc. Click on view all similar sites and it comes up with a very nice graphic which shows all the sites which we are competing and how far they are in distance from us, right? So this is us in the center. So Helia is closer, their rank 6,73,000 and we are 144, Firedrop and all other sites. So we get a lot of idea that which are the sites we are actually competing with in the natural search. We can also see this table in the table view mode and actually you can download it. The third tool is Ahref, which is a very nice SEO tool. But this one is not free, but you can sign up for a 7-day trial for $7 and you can do a lot of work and actually get value out of it. So first thing first, we'll type the keyword. So we'll say AI website builder. Then it shows how easy or difficult it is to rank for this keyword. So in this case, it is showing 43, which is hard. And then down below, it shows the SERP results. So you can see we have got website builder.ai, 10web.io, and we are number 3rd. Then we have bookmark.com. So you will come to know who are the people you are actually competing with. So this was not shown in the Action Insight because probably you were not competing with them in the AdWords, but now you are competing with them in the natural search. So you can take a list and then further explore that. Let's see some. Let's choose one. Let's say B12. Okay, so we can click on it, then it will open up the site. Then you can see that what their website is all about, and also you can go to Site Explorer and basically type the site name and basically see which all keywords they are ranking for. So in this case, let's copy this one, go to Site Explorer, click. So then it shows the strengths of that particular site. So it is showing for the organic keywords around 26,000 keywords. they are getting around 22,000 traffic per month. You can click on the organic keywords, and here is a good part. So they show you keyword difficulty to rank. So higher the number, difficult it is to rank. So what we'll do is that we'll go to the KD and type 20 maximum and see which all keywords we can try and compete with them. So biogenerator and things like that. You can also download this report using the export tool. So what we have learned, I have shown you three tools which you can use to actually understand who you are competing with and where the competition happens. In the next few videos which I'll make to show you how you can actually use this information to compete better on the internet. So thank you very much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we can talk and share more ideas with you. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment and I will ensure that I reply to it. Thank you very much for watching.